Today I'm going to be reviewing Comfit's Wife and Hubby glass set. These are actually really nice. I want to thank Comfit for sending this to me to review. Comes in this box. It's actually wrapped really nicely. It is glass. So if you have any problems, if you get these and they're broken, just let them know and they'll replace it. But I don't think you're going to have any issues. Like I said, they're very well packaged. Here they are. Let's go ahead and take them out and take a look at this. Here's the Wifey one. Established in 2025, so definitely a great Christmas wedding gift, obviously. Very nice. It's actually very nice. Fairly thick, too. It's kind of surprised me. They're not thin. They're definitely not thin. They've got some weight to them. So this is what they look like together. Wifey and Hubby. These do really well on Amazon. They actually get 4.7 stars, which is really good for something like this. And last month, they sold over 1,000 in October of 2025. The fact that they have a good weight to them, it's a good size for a drink. People really like them, and they're not getting returned. It's an Amazon choice, which is another thing I like to look for on products like this. As far as their capacity, these are 14 ounces. They each hold 14 ounces. Another thing, the print on here is heat resistant. You can tell it's not going to just come off. They're done cheaply, and you put these in the dishwasher. These can fade a lot of times, so that's not going to happen with these. They're made really nicely. I think the Wifey and Hubby wine glasses would be a great addition. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.